Many people aim to live a perfect life. They want to achieve success, maintain balance, and avoid mistakes. However, perfection is often unrealistic. Living better does not mean living perfectly. It means making small improvements over time. Even small positive changes can create meaningful results. For example, sleeping slightly earlier or reducing daily stress may seem simple, but these habits improve overall well-being. Consistency matters more than intensity. While it is important to have goals, it is also important to accept imperfection. Nobody performs at their best all the time. Personally, I've learned that progress is more sustainable than perfection. When I focus on being slightly better each day, I feel less pressure and more satisfaction. In the end, a better life is built through realistic effort, not unrealistic expectations. Every day is a new chance to grow. Sometimes the change is very small. You may learn a new word, understand a new idea, or practice a skill a little better. At first, these changes may seem unimportant. We will not notice them immediately. But over time, small changes become real progress. Learning is not always fast. Some days you feel confident. Other days you feel uncertain. It's a natural part of growth. When we continue learning every day, we slowly become better. Even small effort can make a difference. Now, I try to remind myself something simple. I do not need to become perfect today. I only need to grow a little. If I keep learning and practicing, I will grow every day. Sometimes I feel tired after a long day. I study, work, and try to do many things. When I feel tired, I often tell myself, I should keep going. I see other people studying and working very hard, so I think I should do the same. In the past, I believed that resting was a bad thing. If I took a break, I felt lazy. But after some time, I noticed something. When I did not rest, I became more tired. I made more mistakes and could not focus. Then I realized something important. Rest is not laziness. Rest helped our relax and our mind became clear. Now, when I felt tired, I allow myself to rest. Sometimes take a short break or go for a walk. After that, I can work better. Rest is not laziness. It is part of learning and growing. Being kind to yourself means treating yourself in a gentle and patient way. Many people are kind to others, but they are very hard on themselves. I think being kind to yourself is important for a happy and healthy life. First, when we make mistakes, we should not say bad things about ourselves. Everyone makes mistakes. Instead of thinking, I'm not good enough, we can say, it's okay, I can learn from this. This helps us feel calmer and more confident. Second, we need to take care of our body and mind. For example, we should get enough sleep, eat healthy food, and take breaks when feel tired. Resting is not laziness. It helps us have more energy for the next day. Finally, being kind to yourself means forgiving yourself. Sometimes we feel guilty about the past, but we cannot change the past. We can only learn and move forward. In conclusion, being kind to yourself helps you feel peaceful and strong. When you treat yourself with kindness, you can live a better life and share that kindness with others.